What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Huggy, Wuggy, Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top and work our way down towards the bottom of the eye and bend that back up towards the top. Now let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to trace the eyes along the inside. So we're going to start on the left side, draw a smaller circle, leaving an even space gap all the way around. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the outside of the eyes. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the top of the lip. We want to curve this up and then down. Now we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the lip. So we're going to start back over on the left side underneath the eye, curve this down, go up in the middle, come down underneath the right eye, and then bend that back up. Let's go back to the side. We're going to open up the mouth. We're going to come down, round up the lip, and then go up. Now we're going to step in, draw two lines on either side. Now we add a zigzag pattern for the teeth. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come down, then up towards the left, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more point. Coming down, and we'll go up towards the top. Now I want to trace the mouth along the outside. So we're going to start underneath the eye, go around the corner of the mouth, bend this down towards the bottom of the lip, bring that up towards the right, and then round out the corner. Now let's fill the outside corners of the mouth in black. Now we're going to tuck the side of the head in underneath the lip. So we're going to start over on the left side. We want to bend this out, go all the way up towards the top to right about there. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go out and then bend that up towards the same height. Now from here, just going to angle this down and then in to create a point. Let's go all the way out and then up. Now on the top corners of the head, we're going to add 2 points. We're going to angle this down and in, sort of aiming towards the eyes. Angle this back up towards the top. Now I'm going to close off the top with a curve, starting over on the left, bend this down, and then in towards the middle, bend this across, and then up towards the right side. Now I want to add some stitches going across the forehead, starting right in the middle at the very top. Just going to bend this out, and then down towards the right eye, and we're just going to add those stitch lines going across that line. Now let's move down and draw on the bow. We're going to start right in the center with the left side. We're going to come down, round up the bow, and pull that in underneath the mouth. Go back to the center and do the same thing going out towards the right. Let's trace the bow along the inside. Let's draw the bottom of the ribbon. On the left, then it's out and then down. Flatten off the bottoms, and then follow that curve back up underneath the bow. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw 2 straight angled lines coming down the side of the body. We're going to start on the left, angle this down and then out to right about there. Go to the right side, do the same thing, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Now I want to add one more stitch line coming down the center of the body. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come down and over toward the left, and we'll add those stitch lines going across, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Huggy Wuggy Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.